best performance cars for 2024-2023 Lexus IS 500. In the ever-evolving world of performance cars, the 2023 Lexus IS 500 has established itself as a standout contender among the best performance cars of 2024. Known for its exhilarating power, refined luxury, and cutting-edge technology, the IS 500 is poised to capture the hearts of driving enthusiasts and luxury car aficionados alike. The 2023 Lexus IS 500 makes an immediate impression with its bold and aggressive design. The car's muscular stance, sculpted lines, and prominent spindle grille create a commanding presence on the road. Its sleek LED headlights and quad exhaust tips not only enhance its sporty aesthetic but also hint at the powerhouse lurking beneath the hood. The exterior design, with its blend of sharp angles and flowing curves, is a testament to Lexus's commitment to crafting vehicles that are both visually stunning and aerodynamically efficient. Under the hood, the IS 500 boasts a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine, delivering a thrilling 472 horsepower and 395 lb-ft of torque. This engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, provides explosive acceleration and a deeply satisfying engine note. The rear-wheel drive setup, combined with an adaptive variable suspension system, ensures that the IS 500 offers precise handling and a responsive driving experience, whether on winding roads or open highways. Inside, the IS 500 continues to impress with a luxurious and driver-centric cabin. High-quality materials such as leather, wood, and aluminum create an atmosphere of sophistication and comfort. The sports seats offer excellent support, making long drives as comfortable as they are enjoyable. Lexus has equipped the IS 500 with the latest technology, including a 10.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Mark Levinson sound system, and an array of advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. As one of the best performance cars for 2024, the Lexus IS 500 represents the perfect fusion of power, luxury, and innovation. Its striking design, potent performance, and comprehensive features make it an ideal choice for drivers who demand a thrilling driving experience without sacrificing comfort or refinement. In a highly competitive market, the 2023 Lexus IS 500 stands out as a true icon, a symbol of Lexus's dedication to performance, craftsmanship, and advanced technology. With its blend of raw power, elegant design, and cutting-edge features, the IS 500 is set to captivate drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best performance cars of 2024 and beyond.